Hey guys, doing some fishing and not having any luck, so I decided to walk a couple camps that I know of before I go home, and found something. Not sure what it is. I haven't cleaned the dirt off yet, but it came off right out of there. I was poking at it, I saw a flake there with it, and this came out with it. But let me get my screen off my phone. Seen enough dirt action that it is not in good shape anymore. But I don't know what that is. Sweet Springs. I'm not sure. I think it might be a rice side notch. It's a real, like an olive green. It's gorgeous. Got a tip impact fracture. But I'll take it. Alright, well, I'm going to try a little bit longer before I head home. That's what I'm looking at. Oh well. Catch you later.